Nhloso continues his affair with Dintle, regardless of Madlomo being in hospital. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Nhloso continues to go see Dintle, even though Madlomo says with the whole situation that's going on. They still see each other, and Nhloso asks Dintle to be patient with him. She knows that she wants to see him, but she knows the situation is tricky. And then the kids are worried about their mom. Is it curable? And then Ulihle finally gets to meet Udintle, helps her with to carry some box. Udintle gifts her with some pair of sunglasses, and learns ukuthi uyingane kaNhloso le. And Udintle says Udintle ukuthi she can't wait to go tell her mom about the gift Udintle gave her. Ngapha uKiriboni is into deep with the gambling nama-debts. The debt collector comes uKiriboni stole iwatch ka Mr. Gasa, gave it to this Mashonisa guy. Once she's able to pay him back, he's gonna get back the watch. But the guy is like, no, it doesn't work like that. This wipes off your debt and that's it. And then uKiriboni goes to talk to Tori, so asking for a loan. And then explains the whole story to her. She stole the watch and then she only paid 500 and went to gambling, thinking she'll double or triple the money. Torres is like, I think you've got a gambling problem. And then Kgopolo goes to see Semide, trying to speak to him about this one Mthunzi thing, but Semide Mthunzi and refuses to speak to him they're busy. But then yamudla lento ukuthi how and ends up calling him back. And then he comes and they talk. I don't believe this guy is your son. I need you to be extra careful because I don't want you to getting hurt. And then finally, Semide starting to have some doubts because now Mthunzi went ahead and had the appointment without him. And so soon, that was so suspicious. And then decides, he cancelled the appointment with the lawyer, which was supposed to set up the real thing for Mthunzi to get a stipend and all that. And then Mthunzi is now suspicious why I think Kgopolo got to him and now he's starting to cancel. Actually, Mthunzi called the attorney offices and found that, Semide is the one who cancelled. While he lied to him, saying the attorney had something else to take care of, that's why he cancelled. Now, Udambi says, remember, Mthunzi, this is not your mom. But Mthunzi is you better pick a side so I know how to deal with my enemies. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.